The afternoon. This product, my friends, also has the potential of changing the way we eat and the way we look at our health. In fact, the lady before me spoke a little about that. For us to be able to disseminate this information across the nation, we would require your support and your wholehearted support. Without the media's blessings and media's support, I'm sure we would be nowhere. That's about it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Fortune. Let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen. दोस्तों एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
Magnifico! Engage.
Let's have a huge round of applause. दोस्तों एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए, तालियों में कंजूसी नहीं चलेगी. Welcome Parinidhi. Thank you sir. Yes sir, thank you. Please take the, yeah. Can someone help us with the, yes, perfect. Thank you. I request you all to please take your seats. Parinidhi, I have to tell you, you look absolutely ravishing. Absolutely fit. Exactly. I think the whole nation is all going gaga about your Bollywood fat to fit and, you know, being very, very healthy kind of storm. That's amazing. Our next guest, this man who we all adore for his outstanding work, a Padma Shri awardee, Executive Chairman and Creative Director, South Asia for Ogilvy and Mather. He is consistently ranked as one of the most influential men in the Indian advertising industry for 10 years in a row by the Economic Times. He is the only Indian to have won 3 grand prizes at the London International Advertising Awards. Under his leadership, Ogilvy India has been named as India's most creative agency for 12 years in a row. Please join me in welcoming the doyen of Indian advertising, Mr. Piyush Pandey. And now our next guest of honor. He has been with us for over 11 years with Adani Wilmar as the head of R&D. Before this stint, he was with Union Ministry of Food and Civil Supplies for 10 plus years. Amrit Vanaspati Company Limited, Rajpura, Punjab. He is also attached to various multi-speciality hospitals as a consultant diabetologist and is pursuing his PhD in phenotyping and genotyping of young diabetics in the Indian population. Please welcome Dr. Banshi Sabu, MD, FIACM, FICN, FACE, MNAMS, Diabetology. My God, that's quite a mouthful. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Dr. Sabu. Asha, he'll be joining us in some time. And offer a 360-degree perspective of the product, how it fits into the fat to fit scheme of things for India. So first on stage, I'd like to invite our...
Yeah, good afternoon all. I'm freezing in here. Are you? Yes. And I think it is a trick being played on me by fortune that someday this guy will get out of his bushirts and wear a jacket. It's not going to happen. It's a big day for Adani Wilmar today, and a big day for a fantastic brand called Fortune. In my understanding of brands, the most powerful brands are those that always retain their soul and then are able to manifest their bodies in many which ways. Today, Fortune stands for Ghar ka khana hota hai. That's the main soul of the brand. And thereafter, we introduced healthy products such as the rice bran oil and now Vivo. I think this continued effort in providing tasty, healthy meals to all members of the family, regardless of their age, regardless of their problems, and allow them to partake in what they love doing, is where Adani is going to take us in the days ahead. In a few days' time, you will see the campaign breaking, first in print, a campaign which will be educational by nature, and slowly you will see, as we move into audiovisual mediums and PR, we will start getting a little more tasty after having established that we are very good for those who are prone to diabetes. So have a great time, look forward to the campaign. We will try and do our best and hope that you cover it the way we would like you to. I again congratulate Adani Wilmar for a great product that they've made and would be taking it to our houses. Thank you.
Here. Mr. Malik. Let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Malik here.
Piyush is actually running temperature and he's not well, but he said that he will be here. And be part of our new product launch. Piyush himself takes care of the communication of the brand and the Ghar Ka Khana.
इसी सूचना थी कि शायद कोई AV play होने वाला, so तभी थोड़ा सा delay. And now I'd like to invite Ms. Parineeti Chopra to share her few tips and insights on eating healthy and staying healthy. So let's hear it for Parineeti Chopra.
I don't know if this is the right decision, but घर का खाना ही होता है. मुझसे पूछिए, मैं पिछले 10 साल से अपने घर से बहुत दूर अकेले रह रही हूँ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स टेस्ट एंड अटैचमेंट होता है आपको, क्योंकि आप एक सर्टन काइंड ऑफ खाने के साथ बड़े होते हैं. बट आई रियली वांट टू थ्रो लाइट ऑन द फैक्ट कि घर का खाना Why is it the best? जब आप बीमार होते हैं, जब आप बूढ़े होते हैं, सबसे पहली चीज़ आपको बोली जाती है कि आप बाहर का खाना बंद कर दीजिए. And I really want to get to the crux of why that happens. I think obviously घर का खाना सबसे simple खाना होता है. And इंडिया में जिस तरह के हमारे पास ग्रेन्स अवेलेबल हैं, जिस तरह का कुकिंग स्टाइल हमारा होता है, हम बहुत प्रोसेस्ड फूड नहीं यूज़ करते, हम बहुत हेल्दी, कभी कभी अपने घर या अपने खुद के खेत में उगाए हुए खाने को खाते हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज़ वाई घर का खाना होता है. दिस ऑयल इन पर्टिकुलर थ्रोज लाइट ऑन सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई थिंक इंडिया में हम सब बिलीव करते हैं कि मीठे खाने से डायबिटीज़ होती हैं, और अगर मैं मीठा बंद कर दूंगा तो मुझे डायबिटीज़ नहीं होगी. दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट मिथ ऑफ ऑल. येस, मीठा खाने से शायद आपका वज़न कम हो जाए, डायबिटीज़ पर भी फ़र्क पड़ेगा, बट इट कैन बी समथिंग एज बेसिक एज द फूड ऑयल दैट यू आर यूजिंग दैट कुड अफेक्ट डायबिटीज़. It is shocking that India is the diabetic capital of the world. उसी देश में जहाँ पे हमें हर तरह की फसल मिलती है. So I'm so proud that as a person who herself has gone through the struggle of health, bad health, being overweight, and now working towards a healthier lifestyle, I'm so proud that they invited me, to just spread a little more awareness about this oil. It uses sesame and rice bran, which is amazing because these are the kind of things कि मैं आज खाती हूँ. मैं बाजरे की रोटी, जवार की रोटी, गेहूं की रोटी. अब मैं बहुत केयरफुल होती हूँ कि मैं क्या खाऊँ. So मेरा अगर खाना ही ऐसे ऑयल में पक रहा हो तो I can be stress free. So please go out there, read about this oil. It's amazing. Read about this company. You don't need to know that they are the pioneers in encouraging the fact that ghar ka khana is what will give you the healthiest life forward. Of course, there are other things of exercising and keeping yourself healthy, but I think it's the small things that count, and I think it can start by changing the oil that you use. So thank you so much, sir, that you invited me, and I hope that my journey can be an inspiration to everybody out there who is looking for a healthier lifestyle. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Parineeti, for sharing your insights and wonderful tips. दोस्तों, जिस AV का मैं इससे पहले जिक्र कर रही थी, वो मैं आप सबको दिखाना चाहूँगी. I'd like to request our wonderful team to please play the medical AV. Thank you.
Modern age.
For this wonderful Fortune Vivo brand. And now, Parineeti, हमें actually पता चला है कि आपका favorite खाना जो है, वो है दाल मखनी and penne arrabbiata. Is that true? Yeah. So we have with us the head chef of Taj, Mr. Dane Fernandez, who has prepared these wonderful dishes only for you. Yes. Can we please have them on stage for Parineeti to taste? And this dish